How to recover my eyes only deleted pictures on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat application on your device. Go to your profile, tap on settings, scroll down and tap on I need help. Here search for my eye only. Select the option that says I lost snaps that I saved to my eyes only. Okay. Then after scroll down and tap on contact us option. So here select the option and then here you have to provide your username, active email address, mobile number, and in description you just have to clearly mention that you have lost the snaps or memories of my eyes only and you want to recover it back. Then after tap on submit option and Snapchat support team will help you to recover the snaps that you lost in your my eyes only. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.